Hi, we're back with another cool engineering project.
Tell next surprise for the end of the show, just like last time.
Oh my goodness! Before we show you what this week's project is, let's tell you a little bit about why we did it. It all started because of something that everyone hates.
When Towing blade.
So today's project was made out of one of your broken toys. What was it?
A drone.
Did it work pretty well at first? What could you make it do?
Well, if you press the button and produce, they don't flip.
After a while, the drone stopped working. What do we do with our toys when they stop working?
We take them apart.
Do you want to tell them what we're going to make today?
A fan car.
A fan car?
Yeah, from the old drone propellers from that exact drone. One of them got broken and stopped working, which is why we took it apart. But with 3 of them, we can still make a propeller car.
Yes, so what do we need to do first?
Build a top. Let's do it.
What's next?
To put the propellers on the car.
When we make a complete circuit, including a battery and our motors, that allows electrons to move through the circuit and make the propellers move. We used 1 battery connected to 3 motorized propellers like this. We had to make sure that each motor's contacts were connected to the proper end of the battery so the propellers all spin the right way.
And we also had to be careful we didn't make a short circuit.
A short circuit is when the electrons have too easy of a time getting from one end of the battery to the other, so they go too fast and get too hot. We should also tell them about voltmeters. What can we do with a voltmeter?
Measure the voltage between 2 points in the circuit.
Right. So for example, in this circuit, if one of the propellers wasn't spinning, we could use the voltmeter to make sure the motors are getting the voltage they need. For starters, we can see that this 9-volt battery is giving us the voltage that it should. Does that say 9 volts? It does, 9.0. Now, do you remember what the voltage of a AA battery is?
1.5 volts.
When we used a AA battery to power the motors, it didn't push through enough current to make the propellers turn. Do you know how many volts come out of a house outlet?
120 volts.
That's a lot.
Is it dangerous?
Yes, 120 volts is a lot of electricity. That could hurt you very badly. Shall we take our car for a spin?
That's a fun talk. Want to find out what the surprise is?
Of course.
Here it is.
Hey! Hey! What is it?
I don't know. I don't know.
It's a hat, but it has something on it. Is this a cooling hat?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Can I fly?
Now that we've covered some of the basics of how to build simple circuits, we'll be able to have even more fun building fancier projects. Check out our show next month, when we'll be wiring up a state-of-the-art cardboard box fort. We also have info on parts and project guidance for adults on our website at geekpackhack.com. Please leave us a comment to let us know what you think, and send us your ideas for wacky hacks. If you enjoy our show, don't forget to subscribe.